Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Rasogo speaking here. Welcome to Ignitive Trading Hub training channel. So as you can see guys, I want to start sharing my educational videos with you. I'll share my thoughts with you guys, and I'll also be sharing my analysis in this channel, whereby I share my views each week, and I'll also be doing psychology videos whenever I can. Okay, so welcome again to this video. I'll get straight to the point. So I'll be analyzing for this week, whereby it's the 6th of May. So I'll be analyzing for the week of 6th up until the 10th. Okay, so as you can see, GBPCAD is one of the pairs in my watch list. As you can see, this is my watch list. So first thing first that you have to do is start with the top-down analysis, guys. The top-down analysis are important. It's the first thing that you start with. So in top-down analysis, the importance is you have to understand the overall trend. For you to decide on whether you are buying or selling, you have to understand the overall trend of what you are analyzing, of the instrument that you are analyzing. You have to know whether you fall on the buyer side or you fall on the seller side. Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently on GBPCAD monthly time frame. So on GBPCAD, the first thing first that we'll check is the initial trend on the monthly time frame. So we can firstly say that GBPCAD has been bullish due to the fact that the price is rejecting from a monthly demand zone here. Then we can say that the price is within this monthly supply zone here. So as you can see, the price was firstly rallying, or was firstly going up, due to the fact that it is rejecting from this monthly demand zone around this area here. The reason why I say it's rejecting from this area, as you can see, we do have a drop based rally demand zone with a significant bullish move, and the price came to react to our supply zone for the first time, reacted for the second time. Then as you can see, the price reacted for the first time our demand zone. It's a second reaction. Okay, so after that you can see that the price was consolidating around this monthly supply here. So according to supply and demand rules that we use at the Ignitive Trading Hub, is whenever the price spends too much time on a zone, there are higher chances that the price will break through that zone, or it will violate that zone. So which means we should anticipate the price to go up, to continue going up, due to the fact that this zone here, or this base here, is weak due to multiple reactions on this zone here. And we can also say that the reason why this supply zone is not succeeding at holding the price, or is not succeeding at pushing the price to go down, is because of this opposing monthly demand zone here, which caused the price to go up. So we can say that GBPCAD is in a bullish trend. Okay, so let us confirm that on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, can I please delete this monthly supply and demand zones, because we are done with them, so that we can have a clean chart. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that the price was rejecting from this level here. As you can see, the price has been rejecting from this demand zone here, or this demand level around this area here. As you can see, the past 2 weeks has been bullish due to the fact that the price reacted to this weekly demand zone here. Then we can also say that the price is within this weekly supply zone here around this area. But comparing these two zones here, you can see that this weekly supply zone, it's not significant, or it's not very strong compared to this weekly demand zone here. So there are higher chances that the price will not hold this weekly supply zone on this level here, and it will violate it and go through it. Then the second reason is, as you can see, we did have a rally based drop around this area here. As you can see, the price opened this candle then it firstly went up, then started rejecting to the downward side, of which means there is an ongoing activity around this wick here. Then the price continued going down. As you can see, after that we had the first reaction on this zone here, which is hidden around this area, but we'll see it on the daily time frame. So after reacting to this zone here, it firstly went down, came to react to our demand zone. Okay, you are balancing the equation, like it's like balancing the forces here. You are balancing the forces, so which force is greater than the other. Okay, so this was the first reaction on the supply zone, and this was the first reaction on this demand zone here after this one. So as you can see, after that the price started rejecting to the upward side, of which means this is the second reaction on this hidden supply zone around this area, and the price is still failing to go down or to engulf to the downward side. Hence why I'm saying there are higher chances that the price will continue going up, of which means GBPCAD it's bullish. Okay, so in that case you will have to look for buying opportunities. You will have to look for buying opportunities for you to be on the safe side with the trend instead of trading against the trend. Okay, so in that case you will have to go to your daily time frame. So the method that I use is versatile, because when it gets here, it's up to you whether you want swing trades or daily trades, but the strategy can give you opportunities for both. Okay, so in this case, on our daily time frame, we'll have to look for a fresh daily demand zone, because we are looking for long opportunities or buying opportunities which aligns with our bullish trend, or which corresponds with our bullish trend. So in that case, we'll focus on this daily demand zone here. As you can see, we have this daily demand zone here, which is fresh. Okay, so we'll focus on this daily demand zone here as our buying area, so you can get rid of this weekly supply zone here, which we were looking at. Like I said, we do have a rally based drop here on the daily time frame. As you can see, the price came to react for the first time here, and this was actually the first reaction, this is the second reaction, and this is the third reaction. And so I'm saying that there are higher chances that the price will break through this supply zone here, due to the fact that the price spent too much time here and it has multiple reactions, of which means this base here is weak compared to this one. So which means we can say that there are higher chances that the price will break through this weekly supply zone due to this opposing daily demand zone here. So let us keep our charts clean as usual. So what you have to do after this is you just have to refine your daily demand zone on your smaller time frames. You just have to refine it for you to get a low risk and high reward zone. Okay, the minimum of your risk reward ratio should be 1:3 for you to get proper trade. So you can see that here we can use this daily supply zone here, this fresh daily supply zone here, as our target area. As you can see, our minimum risk reward ratio is 1:3, approximately 1:4 risk reward ratio. Okay, so this will be our target here, which is this opposing daily supply zone here. So that's it on GBPCAD, guys. Secondly, among gold, so you can see among gold monthly time frame, and you can see that gold has been bullish the past 2 to 3 months. So this one is not even up for debate. Okay, so gold has been bullish the past 2 to 3 months, as you can see here on the monthly time frame. Then we can also say that the reason why gold has been bullish is because it was rejecting from this monthly demand zone here. As you can see, we do have a rally based rally demand zone, or we can also say that it's a drop based rally demand zone if we open it on the weekly time frame. As you can see, the price came to react for the first time, second time, third, and this was the fourth reaction, and the price continued going to the upward side. So we can do agree that gold is bullish on the monthly time frame. Let us check on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has been going up due to the fact that it was rejecting from this weekly demand zone around this area here. As you can see, we had the first reaction, second reaction, and the price continued going up. So in this case, you can see that you can look through within this weekly demand zone here around this area here for the price to come and react at our weekly demand zone and start going up again. Okay, so in that case we can focus on this weekly demand zone here. Then after that, we can look through on our daily time frame for fresh daily demand zone, so we can anticipate this before wait happens. In that case, if we have this as our weekly demand zone here, you can go to your daily time frame and look for your fresh daily demand zone. So on our daily time frame, as you can see, we have this level here, around this level here, as our fresh daily demand zone. Here to refine it, the reason why I say it's a fresh daily demand zone is you can see the price firstly went down, then started going up. As you can see, the price started consolidating around this area here. It was moving sideways. If you had to open it on the smaller time frame, that you will see that it's a consolidation here. After that consolidation, you can see that we do have a significant bullish move away from the price, this strong move here. Okay, so which means we have this daily demand zone as our buying area on gold. So which means you can anticipate the buy around this area here. What you just have to do is go to your smaller time frames and refine your zone for a low risk and high reward zone. As you can see, it gives us a risk reward ratio of 1:5. Okay, but it can be more than that. But as you can see, we are using this opposing daily supply zone here as our target area here. Okay, so that's my anticipation on gold. Sorry. So currently I'm on NASDAQ. As you can see, NASDAQ, your favorite. So NASDAQ, I'm currently on the monthly time frame. So you can say that NASDAQ has been bullish the past 2 to 3 months. It was just the previous month, which is April, whereby it was bearish. It tried to go down after engulfing this bullish candle here, but it failed after reacting to this monthly demand zone here. As you can see, we do have a monthly demand zone around this area here with a strong or significant bullish move here. The price firstly came to react for the first time, then it started to go up. So we can agree that on the monthly time frame, NASDAQ is bullish. Okay, so let us go to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that the price is rejecting from a hidden weekly demand zone around this area with this week here, but we'll confirm that on the daily time frame. Before we even go too far, let us go and check it, because you can see that we do have a week here with the rejection. Why do we have this rejection? Let us check on the monthly, the smaller time frame. Sorry. Like I said, you can see that we do have a rally demand zone here on this area, and the price came to react to it and started to go up, and so we do have this rejection on the weekly time frame. So we can see that on the weekly time frame, the price is bullish due to the fact that it's rejecting from a hidden weekly demand zone, which is visible on the daily time frame. And currently you can see that the price is within a weekly supply zone around this area here. The reason why I say it's a weekly supply zone is because, as you can see, the price was going down, opened this bearish candle, firstly went up, whereby we had more of like a rally based drop, then started going to the downward side up until this level here, rejected to the upward side again, then it closed this bearish candle, then opened this significant bearish candle, which shows imbalance. So which means the price is within this weekly supply zone here. Okay, so by looking at this weekly supply zone here, we can judge that the price might not hold this weekly supply zone due to the fact that it doesn't show any significance. Okay, it's not a high probable supply zone, And if you were to check it on the smaller time frame, you will notice that the price has already reacted to this weekly supply zone here. So let us check on the daily time frame and see. So as you can see, we did have a rally base drop supply zone, and this was our first reaction. Okay, so which means this is the second reaction here on the current market price. Okay, so hence why I say that there are higher chances that the price might engulf this weekly supply zone here. Okay, so which means NASDAQ is bullish for now. We are anticipating bullish NASDAQ. Let us go to the daily time frame. So for the fact that NASDAQ is bullish on the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame, of which means we'll have to look for buying opportunities on the daily time frame. For us to get those buying opportunities, we'll have to look for a fresh daily demand zone. So my eyes were on this demand zone here. We do have this daily demand zone here, which caused the price to break this significant supply zone around this area here. As you can see, we did have a significant supply zone here, so we are targeting this daily demand zone. So what you just have to do is use your smaller time frames to refine this daily demand zone here to get a low risk and high reward zone. Okay, using the supply and demand rules. Okay, so that's our anticipation on NASDAQ. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I wanted to keep it short, but I will keep updating you guys during the week, whereby I'll be updating you guys with my analysis and everything. I'll also be doing reviews on weekends, whereby we'll be looking at our setups and review why did this one go unsuccessful and why did this one go successfully. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends who are interested in trading supply and demand methodology. I know many of you guys have been asking me to do this, so I think this is the right time. So I will just continue keep doing like this. As long as you share the video, show some support and love for the boy, share and subscribe. Okay, I will keep sharing many more information because I've got a lot to share with you guys, honestly speaking. Thank you and have a profitable week. Thank you.